A Gas Price Fuel Economy Website Guide. Chapter 1. Gas Websites. Gas Price Websites. AAA.com/Fuel Finder. AAA.opisnet.com, AAA Fuel Price Finder. AIMS.ca, Atlantic Canada. AltFuelPrices.com. FuelCostCalculator.com. FuelEconomy.gov/FEG/GAS Prices. FuelGaugeReport.com. FuelMeUp.com. FuelWatch.wa.gov.au. GasBuddy.com, Exxon Station Directory. GasNeru.com. GASPrices.mapquest.com. GASPriceWatch.com. GASticker.com, a tracking site for Canada. GasIPS.com. GASWatch.energy.gov. MapGasPrices.com. Motormouth.com.au, gas prices in Australia. Motortrend.com/gas_prices. Petrolprices.com, the United Kingdom. Gas websites. Drivewise.ca. epa.gov/smartway/transport/calculators. Fueleconomy.gov. Fuel consumption info. natural-resources.canada.ca/energy-efficiency/10832, Fuel consumption guide, which car uses the most gas. Fuel economy websites. Fueleconomy.gov. 2sportscars.com/savegas.html. altfuels.com. apta.com, American Public Transportation Association, bus service. askmen.com/cars/car_tips. beatthegahgasprices.com. beatthegaspump.com. cleanmpg.com. dan.herzam.com. edmunds.com/fuel-economy. en.wikipedia.org/wiki/hypermiler. en.wikipedia.org/wiki/hypermiling. epa.gov/MESWeb, car fuel economy numbers. findgaskids.com, save on gas with gas credit cards. findgaskids.com/tips-save-gas.html. ftc.gov, save gas. fuelbudget.com. fuelfrugal.com. fuely.com. fuelsavingzone.com. gasbuddy.com/gb_fuel_save.aspx. gassavers.org. greenhouse.gov.au/fuelguide. hybridfest.com. hyperdriving.com. hypermilers.com. hypermiling.com. lifehacker.com, spend less at the pump. motherjones.com, hypermilers. motorists.org. motormouth.com.au. mpgtune.com, track your MPG, your annual fuel cost. mrtraffic.com/gas.hdm. mymilemarker.com. petrolprices.com. savecargas.com. save-gas.net. savegasnow.org. savegastips.blogspot.com. save-on-gas-prices.com. savinggasonline.com. consumerreportsorg/crow/cars/. skangauge.com, increase fuel economy. sierraclub.org/sites/default/files/energyresources.pdf. teslamotors.com. thesmart.ca, smart car. tipsquad.com. tipstosavegas.com. tips-to-save-gas.com. treehugger.com, fuel economy.